We're on the right excellent Paul Bogle Highway. Let's go. We're headed to Twin Waterfall Falls in Bull Bay, St. Andrew. Bob Marley's favorite waterfall, with caves, rivers, and tons of adventure. We're also going to catch up with the owner of Twin Waterfall Falls to learn about the history of this beautiful hidden gem.
On top of it, you know, Bob Marley have written a song about Twin Waterfall. You know that one?
Yes.
Okay.
We'll also find out which Hollywood movie features scenes from Twin Waterfall Falls. Here to take a guess? Let's go. Want to take a quick peek at the edge? Alright, looking good so far. Okay, let's start the path. It's a long time I mean to go Twin Falls, you know, from last year. Plus, entry is just 500 Jamaican dollars, making it one of the more affordable hidden gems right here in Jamaica.
Watch your step, alright?
Before we go no further, just like and subscribe.
Whew.
Check out the notice. If you enter Cave River Caves, you do so at your own risk. So be careful, people. Alright, so this look like a system of caves though. Come on guys, get the likes up. We need 200 likes for this video. Come on, let's go, let's go. They have some nice paintings here though. The friendliest looking lion I ever see. The girl here look nice too. That's where we're coming from, and this is where we're going. If you look a little closer, you can see where the river flows into the waterfall. Nice. Alright, let me go check on these stairs now.
So, them upstairs, that's for sure. Luckily means I'm on my exercise, so it's not that bad, but it's a little annoying. Can hear music at the bottom, which means I probably can't record here, but so far the place is unlike anything I've seen before, man. Caves on caves.
We come for the river, but stay for the scenery. We're almost there, guys. Let's go.
Yeah, man, them a test your walking skills, man. Look how far this guy, watch her, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. At least they have some railings you can hold on on. Stairs are not that bad, but it is worth knowing, mentioning. It's worth mentioning that bring sneakers to walk down. Luckily, I always wear sneakers. I'm saying you can see it is long, maybe like 3 minutes of walking based on what I see, although I'm not finished yet, but it's less than 3 minutes. I'll say 2 even, not that bad. So Yeah, man, yeah, man. But you can't film and walk, so let's do this. We're walking up this time.
We're almost there. Just like up the video, people. We need 200 likes for this adventure. Alright, we're ready for some water. Let's go. Nice. Cane River Falls, a beautiful hidden gem. It can even be considered a twin waterfall, as water is actually flowing from two separate areas into one pool. Similar to our trip to GutterHead Falls in St. Thomas. You can check out that adventure in the link below. Let's go. Although the one on the right has a much weaker stream. So there are videos online showing both waterfalls with a strong flow of water. The water feels cool and refreshing. Swimming is not required to enjoy this spot, as I could stand at various points within the pool. So the waterfall stream was strong, so I had to test it out for myself. I always love to feel the full effect of the waterfall on every adventure. Let's try this. Okay, so far so good. Okay, too much now. The water feels good, but it hurt me sometimes. Alright, let me try again. It's nice, but I wish I got a little warning. Feels really good, but it can hurt a little when the level is this strong.
Nice, man. Good.
I feel everything.
Good, man.
Thank you.
So now that we've seen Cane River Falls, but no cane in sight, why is it actually called Cane River Falls? Now let's find out more about this hidden gem from one of the owners of Cane River Falls herself.
Okay, the name Cane River. Let me say, there was a plantation of Dallas. Cause you know that way you have Dallas Castle that way. There's a big plantation up there. They used to do cane. But because there were no mode of transportation, there was no road over there. The road was over that side of the river. So what they did was to harvest the cane, build rafters, and send down the cane on rafters on, and it go right through the falls and head out down to 7 miles. Right by the block factory, right under the bridge there. So hence they call it Cane River. That's how the name comes about.
Fascinating story. Cane River is also the name of the community where we are today. So she wasn't fully camera ready, but was still gracious enough to accept my request for a quick interview to learn some fascinating facts about Cane River.
What else would you like to know, sir?
Is it a good river? Would you recommend places people to come?
Of course. A couple years ago, I can't remember what year now. We were rated the 10 most romantic spots in Jamaica. And this is one of the last free-flowing falls. The rest of us, they have to, do some restructuring, but this is just one of nature's handmade, just as it is. That it is raw. Somebody term it the Virgin Falls. And it have its own history. I don't know if you know about Jack's man song, Three Finger Jack.
Am I the only one who's never heard of Three Finger Jack? Can you explain more?
That was, sir, you're not serious. You don't read Jamaican history.
Well, me come all the way from Portmore, man, so I'm not gonna know every history.
Portmore?
Yeah, man, yeah.
Stay in Jamaica.
Yeah, but you can't know every history, miss. You can't know.
It is written.
Okay. I know about Nanny, me about Nanny Falls.
Then Finger Jack was one of the members.
Oh.
Finger Jack, when they in the English tribe, sign him around the same used to go hideouts and I don't do us.
Okay.
So
Jack Mansong, or Three Finger Jack, was the leader of a band of runaway slaves. It is rumored that he used to hide near the grounds of Cane River Falls when trying to elude British colonizers.
on top of it, you know, Bob Marley have written a song about Cane River Falls. You know that one?
Yes.
Okay.
In fact, Bob Marley mentioned the Cane River Falls in his song Trench Town. It's where he used to wash his dreads in the waters. This song has millions of spins on music streaming sites like Spotify, Apple Music, and YouTube.
And there's this movie, Dark of the Sun. Part of it was filmed down there.
That's right. Cane River Falls got the Hollywood treatment in 1968 with the film Dark of the Sun, starring Australian actor Rod Taylor. Dark of the Sun is a violent action-packed movie about mercenaries sent on a mission to the Congo crisis. Scenes for the movie were shot right here in Cane River Falls.
And a lot of, you know, local videos and so, and a tourist spots. So if you want to hang out, you can come along. Cane River is basically for people that loves nature. When you go down there, you find sand, your stone, and the water. And, you know, like people come and watch, look at the formation of the rocks, and they're intrigued with the bridge that's on top of the rock. Because actually, the bridge was built on top of more rocks. And to enter, you have to actually go through a key. Right? But all in all, it's a nice little quiet, you know. If you want to bring your family, you're free to come out and enjoy yourself.
Special thanks to Mrs. Richards for speaking on camera despite not being camera ready at the moment. It's a hidden gem you won't want to miss. Please come out and support. For just 500 Jamaican dollars, you get caves, a river, a twin waterfall, and the feeling of history having been to Bob Marley's old stomping ground. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching another nature adventure. Would you take the stairs and the jump to Cane River Falls? Where should we go next? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next adventure. Until then, Ajani signing off. Feel free to check out some of our other videos.